All right, hello class, and happy Friday. This is Professor Mike checking in. Nicely done for those who are getting started on the work, and for those who haven't, and for those who have, I'm just going to review over Blackboard, or not Blackboard, it's called Canvas, really quickly. So remember, at our website, we click to MyNova and then MyNova login. If you're not sure what it is, remember user name and password can be found here. I'm going to log into mine right now. And I will quickly go over the assignments. The sooner the better. I encourage you to do it soon, especially the discussion board. All right, so I'll click on Canvas. All right, and then here's our class, SDB 100. So I click here, and you don't have to pay attention to this for the next 3 seconds here. I'm going to student view. This is from my perspective. So I'm going back to what you can see and what you can see only. All right, so home, syllabus, modules, all these are here. It's set up so all you do is you go to modules and you complete everything here in the bold letters. The ghosted ones, I can't click on them. That means that's in the future, so we won't have to worry about those. The way it's set up for you right now is you have to complete every one of the welcome startup ones. You just click on it. Just click on it, review what needs to be reviewed, and you're good to go. You can click next down here, or you can just go back. So that one will be done. You click on course overview, that one's done. Tutorial, support the tutorial, set up profile, and wrap up. So you must do these in order. Then here comes the meat and potatoes of the class. All right, so college resources and communication. As you see, the quiz, the engagement survey, and the introductions all have points assigned to them. So those are what actually get you the points. These things here are what help you prepare for them. So I clicked on getting to know your college resources. Everything is here. It just reviews over what you need to know, and you can go back if you review it. Oops, let me go back. All right, I'm going to go back to modules. Resources reading is here, so it's good to review over everything, keeping in mind these things in particular that tells you to keep in mind. Student handbook, it's good to open them, save them, review them, and then we have here the quiz. So I will click on quiz. I already started it, but I'll just click resume. That's how you get it going. Here's a sneak peek. Here's one question right here, and here's a quick answer. Office of Student Life. All right, you got one question right there. So they coordinate the social, curricular, special interest clubs. This is going to be in the handbook as well that you're assigned to read. All right, so please be sure to knock that out soon. Communication, interesting pieces here. Civic engagement survey, very quick, probably 5 minutes. Don't forget introductions. If I click on introductions, it brings you to the discussion board, where this is me. I am talking through my own voice in 2002 as a student in your shoes, as my first year at Nova, talking about what we're supposed to review. So my purpose for attending college, I did not know what it was at that point. I simply didn't. If I didn't identify a major, or if I identified a major or not, what is it? I talked about liberal arts, and then I changed it to liberal or general studies. And then what are the benefits living in a highly diverse region? And I just talked a little bit about why I think it's important. I appreciate different perspectives and views on from people, from food to politics to college to whatever it is. I think it's enriching. And you get to learn about your own culture as well when you learn about others. It's fascinating how that works. So you're supposed to post once, then reply twice, I believe. So reply. So here it is. So you click reply button to post it. Include an image in you can include an image if you want. Post reply. There it all is. Yep, read the post of at least 2 of your classmates. Provide feedback on the netiquette as well. So this is focusing on how we're saying it. So I say greetings, fellow classmates. You can do dear, whoever. You can say something that's acceptable. Thank you for reading. Thank you is good. Sincerely. Good punctuation, grammar, all that stuff is important. So that's what it is. So please be sure to do this soon so that you can reply to other people and read part 2 carefully, read through it all carefully. And again, good meeting everyone in person, and I will see you all next week.